Hello, welcome to the first video about Injee I'm ever making. I think I'm going to title this video as Injee for JavaScript and ReactJS developers. So, I'm just going to say, okay, what is Injee and how can JavaScript and ReactJS developers use it for their stuff, and they can have a very instant backend just like that. Okay, so that's the thing. So this is what Injee is. You can, okay, let me just close all these tabs. So go from first. Okay, fine. Oops, oops. Oh, okay. Yeah. So now to get to Injee, all you just need to do is okay, type u7.in /ingw, right? So that's the thing. So you'll just get it, right? So, and let's go to getting started. So now let's install the backend, the databases, the API, and all those stuff. So just copy this. Let me go to my terminal, right? So I'll just go to my home directory, right? So I'll just go to my home directory and then, okay, and so I just need to install and do all those stuff, right? So get hold of the DB admin, blah 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 blah, and all those stuff. So that's not needed in Injee, and you don't need a backend developer. You can just start developing your apps just like that. Okay, it doesn't mean that Injee is full fledged. We are just doing. It's in version 0.50 now, but yeah, we'll soon be adding features, right? So that's the thing. Okay, I think the internet is slow. Okay, I need more than 1 minute. Okay, so let's clone the what to say front end app for Injee. So if you go to Injee and if you just go to code, okay, so over here, so okay, this Injee JS app is there, right? So you can, okay, if you're not good with Git, you can just download it and unzip it. Okay, but I know Git and all those stuff. It's a versioning tool. If you are a front end developer and if you don't know, do know it. Okay, so what I'm just doing is I'm just going to my code folder, right? And why I'm using Z is there is a thing called Z oxide. Okay, so it's a substitute for CD, and it's very good. I don't know whether my internet is slow or my Mac is slow, blah blah blah, and all those stuff. Yeah, my Mac gets the wireless in my Mac is. Oops. Okay, there is also a bug in Brave Search. Okay, right. So this is Xerox side. Okay, so install it, and it's better than CD, right? So that's the thing. Okay, so now I'm just going to code. Right now, let me just clone this app. Git clone and Injee JS app dot get. Okay, so that's the thing. And oh, looks like Injee is running. Okay, so Injee always runs on localhost 4125, and you just give ops and then health. Okay, right. I don't know what's happening. HTTPS colon slash slash. Okay, I think we need to give HTTP because you're just running it locally. Yeah, it says health. Okay, so let me make it bigger and you can see the raw data and all those stuff, right? So Injee is running. Okay, so that's the thing. So you've got all this database APIs and everything in Injee. So let's see how it works. Okay, so over here, I just clone this app and then okay, I think it's Injee JS app, right? So I'll just go over here CD and then okay, let me put Z. Okay, because oh yeah, CD is also good. Yeah, fine. Okay, Injee JS app. Okay, so now okay, I'll just run a Python. Okay, if I just put my controller, okay, it's not working. Okay, this is my stuff only, right? So so I'll just need to load this source shrc, and I can just type, okay, Python and this HTTP server. That will just run a simple HTTP server, right? And that's it. Like, I can just go to localhost 8000, and it checks the health of Injee and it says okay, right? I will be looking at the code, right? So that's the thing. And then what I can just do is I can just go to crud.html, I think. Okay, so crud.html. So like Injee CRUD app. So this is a small CRUD app. Maybe you can add some item names. Okay, like I'm a foodie, so let me add some food names. Okay, like what to say, like biryani. If you have never tasted biryani, you need to taste it in your life, right? So come to India, like go to Hyderabad, or even come to Chennai. A place called Triplicane is there, and I don't know if a thing called Amrinusha biryani is there. It tastes awesome, right? So that's the thing, right? So now I can just put pizza and then okay, like create, okay. And if you haven't tasted samosa, you need to taste. Okay, look, there is various types of samosa ranging from Uzbekistan, I think, even till I don't know, maybe till Myanmar and Thailand. I don't know, like, and yeah, in India you get vegetable samosas and everything, right? So all this has been getting created in backend, right? So okay, like I'll just put network, okay, like samosa, pizza, biryani, samosa, okay, like okay, tandoori chicken, right? Great. Look, there is what to say. A post request has been sent. I just think okay. So like yeah, and then a get request has been sent, and okay, yeah, tandoori chicken has been okay, and then I can just search for things like chicken, yeah, and all these things are just getting networked. Okay, CHICKEN. Okay, so like it has been searched. Okay, so that's the thing, and you can edit it. Okay, so and I can just put it like okay, okay, like chicken 65 or something like that. Right? 65, right? And that's the thing. And I can just add some items like curd rice. Okay, curd rice is supposed to be very healthy food. Okay, so I don't like it. So let me delete it. Right. So that's the thing. It's been deleted. Okay, fine. Right. Let's stick with what we like and unhealthy. Right. So that's our motto. Yeah. So this is how Injee runs. I think if you're not having Python, I think with Visual Studio Code, you can launch a local server and all those things. But yeah, like let me just okay, like go to oops, okay, right. Okay, I need to load the source ZS chassis every time. Like, okay, like I don't know why. Right. Okay. So let me just go to code and then Injee JS app. Okay. So Injee JS app. Oops. Injee JS app. Okay. So let me just put my editor over here. Right. Okay. So this is the index.html. Right. So look, one thing I need to disclose: I'm not a front end developer. Right. This was all done with ChatGPT. Okay, so like yeah, there is an interesting story for Injee. Like I'll tell it in another video. So that's the thing. Okay, so over here, yeah, it just fetches the health over here, and it just finds this div. I think output. Okay, so if I just search for this one, okay, so okay, Windows F output. Okay, so yeah, it just searches for this element output and it just puts the data, right? So that's the thing, right? And I don't know what this tool is. Okay, God knows. Okay, like I'm not a JS developer, right? So that's the thing, right? So this is how this CRUD actually okay, this localhost 8000 works, right? So that's the thing. And and yeah, let's come to this crud.html, and that too was typed by ChatGPT, and I did almost nothing. Okay, so this is a CRUD app. Okay, I don't know what it does exactly, right? Okay, so I think like okay, like there is this stuff. Okay, like okay, here is the create item stuff. Okay, so that's the thing, and this is the list item stuff. Okay, and right, and sorry, this is the heading for list items, and over here the items will get listed. And this is the search items, and these are all the functions. That is to fetch and display items. Okay, so I think we are just building what to say, uh, HTML on the fly over here, right? And this is for search and all those things, and that's how it is. And it does with localhost 4125. Okay, where is 4125? Okay, 4125. Yeah, it's over here in line 52, right? So that's how it is. So that's how it does. Okay, so now what I'll just do is like, okay, like I will do what to say, a React app. Okay, so cd dot dot, and it's in code, and I can just go to this Injee over here. And okay, this React app is also done with Tailwind, and once again AI developed it. I am Injee developer. I take the responsibility for Injee, but I am not a front end developer, right? So look, I can do it, but I don't want to call myself a professional front end developer, right? It's never going to happen. I feel like if you need to call yourself a professional only if you have passion. I will call myself as a professional data scientist and professional backend developer, or even a full stack developer when it comes to Ruby on Rails or something like that. But I'm not a professional front end developer, right? If you ask me what color goes with orange, I just don't know, right? So like, I just can't imagine, right? So okay, so okay, like let's clone this React app. Okay, so get clone and whatever it is, right? Injee React app, right? So yep. So you just have it and cd Injee React app. Okay, now okay, like I think npm start should do the trick, right? So okay, let me just copy it and just put it. I don't know whether it will download the modules, but I think like npm install might be good. I just don't know, right? So oh, okay, 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 right, wait, wait. Why? Okay, okay. I think I need to do npm install. Yeah, something is happening. Something is happening. I don't know what's happening. Oh, okay, okay. Oh God, so much. I'm just doing a CRUD stuff. Okay, I think I need to put npm start. Okay, yeah, I think it started. Oh yeah, it started. So you need to put npm install and then npm start, right? Oh yeah, it's just showing all this stuff. Okay, so right. Okay, now let's add tandoori chicken. Okay, right, great. Okay, so yeah, I'll just put like original size, but yeah, let me put it as plus plus. Okay, so and what to say, like okay, like mutton biryani, and then chicken biryani. Wow, okay, so I just love this thing. Okay, vegetable biryani is not biryani. Okay, right. So let me just search for biryani. Okay, so oh, okay, okay. Search is over here. BIRI. Okay, so that's the thing, and yeah, I don't like this vegetable biryani, right? Okay, so let's delete it. Uh, okay, fine, right? So that's the thing. A very simple CRUD app using, and if I just type something and if I just clear, yeah, it's getting cleared. Okay, fine. So yeah, this front end stuff was written by this thing like ChatGPT, and I don't claim code quality ownership or blah 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 for this front end stuff. Okay, so oh god. Okay, right. Okay, so let me just put the Z editor. God knows what I'm going to find in that. Okay, so Like yeah, but actually yesterday I just saw this. There are a lot of stuff that was okay. Yeah, everything has some code in that. Okay, so yeah, okay, fine. So yeah, so this loads from app. There is this app.js. I think this contains all codes and all those stuff. Look, I'm not a React developer. I have used this use effects something like okay, like yeah, I think it's for storing some stuff. Okay, so that's the thing. Yeah, and yeah, you just have this fetch items, create items, and all those stuff. But yeah, I'm not a front end developer. I just told ChatGPT to code it, and it coded. Maybe in future video, let's create a simple web app using ChatGPT and Injee, so that like you know how to do it. Okay, so maybe like okay, you need to show MVP to a client, maybe like today evening or something like that. You just start in the morning. You don't want to develop the back end, but ChatGPT can develop front end, and so you just tell ChatGPT to create an app with Injee, and it creates. Okay, so that's what uh, we can. That is like I can show you in next video. So yeah, this is how Injee empowers you to stop Injee. You can just put Control C, and that's it. Like it gets stopped, and now everything, yeah, breaks loose. Okay, so that's it, gone. Nothing happens. Okay, and yeah, Injee doesn't store stuff. Okay, like Injee, whenever you run Injee, it just sorry, if you stop Injee, it just gets vanished from memory. There are ways to store it, but yeah, those are all in future videos. Okay, so so yeah, let me just create an uh, oops. Okay, fine. What happened? What happened? What happened? So, Webpack compiled successfully, right? Okay, I think should I need to start it again? npm start. I'll just use this React because it looks a little bit good, right? So, okay. We're not able to fetch resource. God, what? I don't know what happened. Okay, like okay, let me just go to this CRUD app. Let me just put some item name. Okay, like what to put? Okay, um, blueberry. BRY. Great. Yeah. So you just have it, and that's the thing. I don't know why this React app is not working. Okay, yeah, now it's working. I don't know what happened. Right. And then what? Blackberry. Is there anything? Yeah, there is a fruit called blackberry, right? So yeah. Okay, so yeah, and but yeah, anyway, blackberry is evil. Try to use fair food and all those stuff. Okay, so yeah, this is what Injee is. I hope yeah you people find it useful, and in future I'll be putting more videos so that like people who like to watch videos and learn stuff will know about Injee, right? So yeah, so now let us just stop everything, right? So uh, Control C and then Control C and then finally stopping Injee, Control C, and that's it, right? Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in future Injee videos. Until then, bye.